All right, if you've ever felt like you're literally fighting with WordPress instead of, actually building with it, then you're going to want to see this. Today, we're taking a look at Theme Builder by OptimizePress. It's a tool that's really designed to help you create smarter, faster, and higher converting websites, but without all those usual headaches. So let's dive in.
First up, let's talk about a problem that I think many of us know all too well. I'm calling it the WordPress struggle. You start out with this great-looking theme, you're all excited, but pretty soon you find yourself in this uphill battle just dealing with a whole bunch of hidden problems you never, ever saw coming.
So does this sound familiar? Your site is finally live, but it's just slow. It's bloated with plugins, and honestly, it's a chore to manage. It's this frustrating reality that so many of us have just come to accept as, the cost of using WordPress. But what if it doesn't have to be that way?
And here's how that whole mess usually happens. You add a plugin to fix one little thing, right? Then you add another one to fix something else. And pretty soon they start conflicting with each other, your page speeds just tank, and your branding gets all inconsistent. And look, this isn't just a technical problem, it's a business problem. It leads directly to low conversions and, lost sales.
And, the stakes here are incredibly high. You've got about 3 seconds, to capture a visitor's attention. If your site is slow to load, they're just going to bounce. They're gone. And Google sees that high bounce rate, which can seriously hurt your search rankings. But maybe more importantly, a slow, clunky site just erodes trust before they've even had a chance to see how amazing you are.
So, what's the answer? Well, it's not just about finding another theme or another plugin. It's about a completely different way of thinking. A smarter system for building your entire site from the ground up.
And this is it, Theme Builder. Now, I want to be clear, it's not just another theme. You got to think of it more like a complete website building framework that lives right inside OptimizePress. What that really means is that everything, your homepage, your blog post, your headers, even your sales funnels, is all created and managed in one single unified system.
The result of having this all-in-one approach is just so powerful. When everything is designed to work together perfectly from the very beginning, you get no more clashes between plugins, no more wasted time jumping between different editors, and absolutely no compromises on your brand's look and feel. You are finally, truly back in control.
So how does Theme Builder actually deliver on that promise? Well, it's all built on 3 core pillars that give your website a really serious advantage. Let's break them down.
Okay, the first pillar is speed, and this quote just says it all, doesn't it? Online, every single second counts. Speed isn't just some techie metric, it's a core feature of your business. A slow site doesn't just lose a click, it loses a potential customer, maybe forever.
The difference is just night and day. Fast sites get rewarded with better SEO, more engaged visitors, and of course, higher conversions. It's a straight line to business growth. Theme Builder is built on this foundation of really lightweight, high-performance code to give you that speed advantage right out of the box.
The second pillar is all about total control, and this visualizes that shift just perfectly. You go from the old, chaotic way of jumping between all these separate, clunky editors for your theme, your pages, your funnels, to a new, streamlined way where your entire site is built in one single, intuitive, drag-and-drop interface.
And let me tell you, this unified control is an absolute game changer. Just imagine changing your header one time and then watching it update instantly across your entire website. That's global editing. Or how about this? Showing a specific special offer, but only to new visitors. That's what conditional rules can do. It's all about creating a faster workflow and maintaining perfect brand consistency.
And that brings us to our third and final pillar, being engineered for conversion. Because let's be real, a great website shouldn't just look pretty, it needs to actually drive results for your business.
Part of being engineered for conversion means you're starting with a really professional foundation. Take the Wiltshire theme, for example. It gives creators and coaches this premium, editorial feel that immediately builds a sense of authority and trust with their audience.
Then you've got Rise, which has this super clean, minimalist look. This one's perfect for consultants or any service-based business where your credibility is everything. The design really puts the focus squarely on your expertise, which is exactly what helps convert visitors into paying clients. And for those personal brands that really need to make a bold statement, there's the Savvy theme. It uses a high-impact design to put your expertise front and center. It's built to grab attention and establish you as a leader in your field right away.
But conversion isn't just about the theme, right? It's about engagement. So you have these built-in elements, like a table of contents for long articles, or a little progress bar to encourage people to keep reading. These things keep visitors on your page longer, and a clear author bio builds trust.
These aren't just little details, they're powerful signals of authority, both to your visitors and to Google.
So when you bring all three of these pillars together, that speed, control, and conversion, what you really get is a complete reimagining of what your website can actually be.
This quote just sums up the end goal perfectly. The outcome is a professional, branded site that's lightning fast and engineered to turn visitors into paying customers. See, it's no longer just a website. It's a core business asset that is designed for growth.
So ultimately, this is the big transformation we're talking about, moving from a messy, piecemeal collection of tools to a single, streamlined, powerful system. Theme Builder is all about taking the chaos out of building a WordPress site so you can finally focus on what really matters, growing your business.
So, I'll leave you with this question. What could you truly build if your website finally started working for you instead of against you? Just imagine for a second what you could achieve if your technology was a genuine partner in your success.